Many people find the amount of storage in a camper van Class B RV is really insufficient. Even though there are overhead cabinets, drawers, many people find that it is not enough storage for their travel needs for a person or two plus a pet. That's a compromise of having the nimbleness of a camper van. Let me show you how I solved that problem of having not enough storage by adding exterior storage to my van. A few years ago, I put on this accessory box. This is made by Rover Vans out of Chicago. They're actually crafted in Poland out of aluminum, very high quality. This is what I want to show you today, but this entire package comes from Rover. Bike rack, spare tire holder, ladder, and the expedition box. Let me show you what's inside this thing. You're going to be amazed. And the safety vest so I don't get run over while changing a spare tire or helping else somebody out. Let me explain what this stuff is. Again, all of this used to be inside my van. Crazy how much more storage I have with a simple exterior storage box. It's getting warm out. I'm going to take my jacket off. Starting at the top, what I have is my tool kit. Very simple tools, but has been very effective for van life travel. Here I've got some safety gear, LED like flares, and here is a battery charge jumper. So if I have my battery's dead or I need to help somebody else out, that's what that is. This is my picnic table cloth. Use that when I'm at a campground. This is my 50-foot 10-gauge heavy duty extension cord when I need to plug into shore power. That is a 110 volt, 15 amp circuit. This is what's called a T-bone. This converts a 50 amp to a 30 amp receptacle. This is my magic wand. This you plug into a hose and you put this in the tank and it cleans out the tank if I want to have a E reading for empty. That's what I use for that. There's my safety vest. This is an axe because I've been accused in the past of making a fire and having nothing to split wood, so there's that. This is a barbecue grill. It's by Otzi. It folds up to just a couple inches thick, but folds out to be a very functional grill using wood or charcoal. Done a video on that. And these are kind of safety supplies. So this is like emergency food, first aid. Here's a shovel. Here's more electrical adapters. This is my gray water, black water. Here's my gloves for doing the sewer. This is the dedicated hose for Santi wash, as it's called, which is right here on the side of the van. This rinses out the black tank. Very cool. This is my water filter and my drinking water freshener. I put this in when I'm filling the tank of fresh water on board using the fresh water hose. And then who can't go camping without some spray paint, bug killer, and bug repellent? And included in the box are these two items for my bike. These are things I take with me when I'm taking a significant bike ride. Again, all this stuff fit in this storage box. We'll put the measurements right here for you. Again, it's made by Rover. It's made very differently than some of the other adventure gear you'd see from like Owl or Illuminus. What I love about this, in addition to how much it can actually store, is that it doubles as a table. So if I'm doing tank duty, I've got my freshwater hose, my gray water hose, my gloves, the filter, all that can be here while I am working on the situation. And it just keeps everything off the ground, out of the mud, and it really makes for a very pleasant experience. So you're not bending over, getting all your stuff grossed out. A lot of these items I use on a regular basis, like the hose situation. Some of these I use rarely, like the safety gear, this thing, tools occasionally. But again, the key point here is that all of this used to be inside my van, taking up valuable storage space by having a simple expedition box that not only looks cool, contains a lot of stuff that would be inside. What I'm gonna do now is put all this back in the van in kind of fast fashion, so you're not too bored, but you can see how I pack all of this into my storage box. You ready? My storage methodology is to put the things I use least in the back and in the bottom of the rig. The things I use the most, I keep very close at hand. There's one item that's missing. Have you noticed what it's missing? Let me keep packing up, and then I'll ask you what you think is missing from my arrangement here that I use almost every time I go camping. Let's pack her up. And it locks for security. And you can even put more stuff here on the MOLLE panel, zip tie it. I've seen people put shovels, gas tanks, all kinds of crazy things here. I like it more like this. So did you figure out what's missing? If you mentioned the Shore Power 30 amp cable, you would be right, because I left that at home base. But that would fit right here, where in front of the extension cord. And then this just kind of tucks in here like that. Now, if you're looking for storage solutions, there's a lot of them on the market. I would highly recommend checking out rovervans.com. They're not paying for this video. I'm doing this out of interest in helping you be more happy when you're doing your van travel. These are not inexpensive from any provider, but I think the quality of these will speak for itself. It's kind of best in class, a bit like the Owl gear. There are many RV dealers that install this gear, such as Sunshine State RVs in Gainesville, Florida, and Winnebago Motorhomes. My home dealer, located in Rockford, Illinois, about an hour and a half west of Chicago. If you happen to watch this video during mid-January 2026, the Florida RV Super Show is going on right now. This video is being recorded on Friday, the 16th of January. You can go see this gear in person on Nuvo Vans, on Coachman RV Vans, and Peter from Rover Vans is actually going to be on site at the Super Show. I think it's a Nuvo booth. And speaking of Nuvo, this gear package comes as an option on their vans. And whether you go off-roading, or you're kind of a city camper like me, or you just want the cool look and, more importantly, the effectiveness of external storage, bike rack, all taking up just 18 inches, if that, on the back of your van. Not only will you look cooler, but you'll be way happier traveling in your van, because all this very important is now out here, not inside your van, allowing you to put more of the critical things you touch on a daily basis for you, your travel companion, and your pets inside the van where it belongs. My name is Scott Watson. Go Small, Live Large, my YouTube channel. Been doing it since 2018. So I kind of know what I'm talking about a little bit. And it's just been a pleasure sharing this video with you. Hoping you travel better in your camper van. Our motto is van life, travel, tiny living, and giving you the truth. Please visit my website, gosmalllivelarge.com, to see all the events we've got coming up, including live streams, Zooms, Patreon activities, and convoys, campouts, and meetups. Let me know your comment, what you think about this. And as always, we will see you in the next video. Get your journey on to brand new year, 2026. Sorry, I'm sweating. And peace be with you. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching. Really do appreciate it.